last video we saw 7 sum. Now we are going to see 8 sum. So first see the question. If 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP. They itself they given the sequences are in AP. Then find k. AP means you know very well. D equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. Already I said, right? In previous sum itself I explained. So here also we are going to see right solution ma. Given what they given? It is an AP. It is an AP. AP means it is, you know very well, T2 minus, therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. This is the form for AP. So already நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன் இல்லையா, T1 இந்த செகண்ட் டேர்ம்லேருந்து ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்மை மைனஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும், அதே மாதிரி தேர்ட் டேர்ம்லேருந்து செகண்ட் டேர்மை மைனஸ் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும், உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் ஈக்குவலாக வருதான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? இப்போ அதே மாதிரி தான் பண்ணணும். இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஈக்குவலாக போட்டுகிட்டே வந்தால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு கேவோட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். கிளியர்மா? T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So here this is T1, this is T2, this is T3. Okay, here you just check it. What is T2 value? 18 minus k. Write as it is 18 minus k. Minus. Here in formula itself minus is there. Write minus. Put bracket. Inside that bracket what is the T1? Term 1. 3 plus k. Close the bracket is equal to. What is third term? 5k plus 1. T3 is 5k plus 1. Minus. In formula itself minus is there. Open the bracket. What is the T2? 18 minus k, close the bracket. Now here in first term you write as it is. Second term here is there no? 18 minus k, write as it is. So multiply this minus value inside. Minus into plus minus 3. So minus into plus minus k is equal to, write here also 5k plus 1 as it is. Now multiply this minus inside. Minus into plus minus 18. Minus into minus plus k. Okay ma. So here in this side you just check it. 18 is there, 3 is there. Different sign or same sign? Different sign. Different sign means what we should do? Subtract it and put the bigger number sign. So 18 minus 3 what ma? 15. Here see both the k value is same sign. So what we should do? Add it and put the same sign. Here there is no value means here also 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1 what ma? 2. So here what sign they given? Minus 2k is equal to, here 5k is there, here only k is there. Here there is no number means 1 is there, right? 5k plus 1k, 6k. So here you just see number plus 1 minus 18, different sign. So what we should do? Subtract it and put the greater number sign, minus 17. Okay ma. Now bring k value in one side and numbers in another side. So here minus 2k is there, right as it is here itself. If you are bringing this plus 6k this side, it will become minus 6k, right as it is. So what is the number here? Minus 17, right as it is. If you are bringing this plus 15 this side, it will become minus 15. Minus 15. Okay. So see here both the signs are same or different? Same sign. So what we should do? Add it and put the same sign. Put the same sign, add it. Say 2 plus 6 what ma? 8k is equal to, here also see the same sign, right? Same sign means add it and put the same sign. So 17 plus 15 what ma? Minus, put the same sign. 17 plus 15, 32. So minus minus in both the sides cancel, right? K is equal to 32. If you are bringing this 8 multiplication 8 this side, it will become division 8, right? Divided by 8. So in 8 table 32 how many times? 4 times. So k value is 4. Okay, this is the k value. Okay, they are asking you to find only k value. So we found the answer. So they given one clue here, it is an AP. So this is the form for AP. Okay, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Already in previous sum itself we saw this, right? So write as it is. T2 means this one, you write. T1 means substitute here. T3 value you substitute. Minus T2 value substitute. Bring this minus inside and then remove the bracket. If you are multiplying minus, we should remove the bracket. Okay, and same like terms you should add it and put the same signs. Different means subtract it and put the greater number sign. So do it that. and here if you are bringing k value on one side and the numerical in another side. So k value, see here, same sign, minus 8k, here also same sign, add it and put the same sign, 32 minus 32, minus minus will be both the sides same sign, right? Cancel it. So k equal to 32 plus multiplication 8, if you are bringing this side it will become division, right? In 8 table how many times 32? 4 times. Okay, k equal to 4. That's all, the sum over. This is also one important 2 marks. So in many question paper they ask this sum. So prepare well for 2 marks this sum also. Okay children, we will see next 9 sum in next video. Thank you.